Y hay uno que sé que no me venir para la otra. No, porque es el paquete. A ese 500 segundos. ¿Ahí hay dos?
No me compré. Turning backpacks are coming off before we board our clamshell. Right this way. Make sure any backpacks are coming off before we board our clamshell. Right this
took Ariel's voice and they were working too hard sorting Ariel's human stuff. This is a great take. Ariel's rated Isaac for America. What do you call them? Human ditties and then not the fish. Thanks. That's what this is.
Thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Believe me, Ariel, the human world is amazing. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ariel, listen to me. Get your head out of the clouds and back in your house where we belong. Nobody can us why us and keep us in sea. We live the land for jobs to cook. Under the sea we off the hook. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is simple, we got to be here naturally. Even the spirit and the rain, making the earth is under rain. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. Play the flute, the cup, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, and the strum, the chop, the pass, play the jump, play the top. The flute is the flute of soul. The play the beats on the street. The clock barking out the blackfish. He sees the skin and the spike. They know where it's at. And won't have no another sea, another sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on this shore they will play. Up on this
Oh yeah. See for yourself. Poor child. We told you winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, glossitis, next laryngitis, the voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But you'll find me nowadays, I've mended all my ways, repentance in the light and made a switch.
It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time.